So today we're going to show you how to put a CAD drawing on a live image using our Premiere software with the CAD import tools. So what do we have going on here? We have a camera microscope system, which is basically a camera and a lens. We have our part right here. We have got it on a backlight stage, which we could also build right into the base of the scope system. Here we have a ring light and we have a nice image. And here you can see we have our CAD drawing on here that we can move our part around and get it set up. So let's show you how we did this. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to hide our overlay. So here's our image. So we have a backlight we could use that if we wanted to for focusing and calibration. Here we could turn our lights off and turn our backlight on. But right now we're going to kind of keep our backlight low. We've got nice lighting, we've already done calibration. But in another video we can show you how we actually calibrate the scope system. And we've also here made a CAD diagram that we would like to place over the part. As we inspect the part, we can check to make sure that placement and size is correct. So what we're going to do is close that up. So here's our live image and in our software. What we'd like to do now is we would like to bring a CAD file in. So here's our CAD options. So here is our option to import our CAD file as an overlay. There are a couple of options here. We're going to convert the DXF or the DWG, but the software, if you've already done that once, we can tell the software to just use the file we had. Right now, we're going to go through the whole process. We have the option of keeping the default colors and line weights or altering them. In this case, the line weights are generally very small. So we're going to up the line weight a little, go to what we call normal level. That'll just make it easier to see on the live image. So go ahead and we're going to do an import here. The CAD overlay that we're using, our CAD tool is now we are going to open it up and do the conversion. And it'll take a couple of seconds to get that done. So we will wait for that. The software will import it and scale it to the exact right height, the exact size of the image that we have right now. And there we go. So there's our overlay. And now we have a couple of options. I can take my part and slide it right. Of coming over here. And if I hold down the Shift key, I can move the CAD overlay around so I can bring that into position. If I hold down the R for rotation key, I can rotate the overlay as well. So that looks pretty good and it's nice and easy. And that's how we can overlay a CAD file on our live part. Thanks for watching.